Hello everyone and welcome. This is Della and today we will be making some fried turkey chops. So let's start seasoning them. I already done cleaned them, soaked them in vinegar, cleaned them. Now they ready to go. There's a little garlic powder, just a little salt, not too much. Cayenne pepper. I'm going to rub them down anyway. Some ginger. Black pepper. Some Sazon. Now you want to keep your turkey chops laid out because turkey chops are very delicate. And when you cook the turkey chops, they just, sometimes tend to fall apart. So you want to keep them close. We're just going to season the other side the same way. Okay, now the turkey chops done got all seasoned up, nicely seasoned as you can see. So now I'm about to get my flour batter, which is the wheat flour, and I season the wheat flour with about the same ingredients: the salt, the garlic, the pepper, and the Sazon. Okay, so turkey chops are much better than pork chops, and you won't know the difference that you're missing the turkey, the pork chops. Just try the turkey chops. So you put them in the batter and they're ready to go inside the grease. They are so delicate. So you want to just put them in there nicely. The grease got to get a little bit more hotter. Now it's on and popping. So let's get it in here. Ooh, they're so delicate. Just be careful with them now, guys. That's enough of that pan right there. You want to brown them on each side, flip them over. Make sure they be golden now. This is the flour that I use, and that is the oil. Okay, so make sure you turn in between. This is the second batch you're working on. Just turn in between. These almost ready to come on out. Okay, now everything is done. They came out looking so good. So pork chops are a go. I mean, turkey chops are a go. The pork chops are a no. So try yourself some turkey chops. Okay? Alrighty. So now we about to plate it. Okay, thank you guys for watching. And if you're new, welcome to my channel. And make sure you subscribe. I appreciate it. Okay, leave a comment. Share. Like and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching.